Rob and Joss. Well, I've taken those dimensions back and have been inputting them into 3 dimensions and looking at these schemes for your house. And we were going over the Plan A and Plan B ideas, and then it kind of struck us that there's a scheme where you can pretty much keep your current kitchen layout as is and still get a big work table, dining table in that space. And basically, the trick was to um, not put anything on that long center wall of the house um, on the kitchen side. And I think that lets there be enough circulation space around this work table that kind of pokes into the kitchen area. We're still taking out that one simple wall of the kitchen, but that should be easy peasy structurally. So there's no demand to do anything with that center wall in your house. I've shown some options here of cutting it back 4 feet, which helps, like we all kind of agreed, but it's really not necessary in this scheme. Okay, let me get into it. I'm going to minimize my little bobblehead, start the video. Here's your current second floor plan, and then the proposed, as you can see, not too different. And then we'll zoom into the living room area, where you can see the table. You can see that the fridge moved near the entry into the kitchen to keep it more out of the way, and where the fridge was slated to be, we turned it to full height pantry shelving. This is from the living room. Here's if you take 4 feet off that wall. Now we'll move into the kitchen. Some pendants over the dining room table. We took away your wall oven and gave you a gas range with a hood above, and nothing on the walls in that corner of the kitchen to keep it clean, and that'll look really nice with a window into that light well. Here we are looking the other way. You can see that fridge was on the right side. Moving into the living room. Here's the section of your whole house. There's the front door and clear glass side light we were talking about. And then looking back to Rob's pop of color and the Calder sculpture. And here's a plan of the basement as it exists. And here it is proposed. Look at that 45-degree wall near the car, which helps just with the ergonomics of getting out, which I think is super important because that was pretty awkward. And here's the entry view into the new studio unit. And then from the bed alcove, and then from the kitchen. Okay, talk more later.